So we're at the shop today. About to do some work on the Acura. Gonna just one of the headlights are out. I'm gonna switch the camera. My driver's side headlights out, so, and my high beam is not working either. So I got a ballast. I'm gonna see if that's what's wrong with it. I don't know, to be honest. I haven't really looked much into it, but we're gonna see what's going on with this. Hopefully it's just a ballast and that's it. This side's working still, so we'll see. I got a couple other options for lights too, so we'll test them out and see. So they cut on. Just playing around with the ballast. I am not gonna touch nothing. So we got that. Let's see if the high beams will cut on. Oh, I don't have one in there. Ha 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 ha. Yep. So if I had a bulb, I can throw that in there and get that going. Might look for one of those. So upon further investigation, I noticed that there is some corrosion buildup on my female connector end of the ballast. Maybe some water got in there. So I'm gonna just clean that up and then put some connector grease on there, and then that should prevent and help that from happening again. So that didn't work. I got another one. I got maybe 2 other spares to try, and then we're gonna go from there and see if that layer and see if that fixes it. So I'm trying to see what's up. So that one works. We're gonna put that one in and rock that one, and hopefully we get no issues. All right, got it installed. Let's see. It turns on, looks right, everything works. It's a different color, but hey, I got a headlight. That's all that matters. That's what I care about. Because having one headlight, that's a ticket waiting to happen. So, hey, got both headlights going.